This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete your Facebook phone number from Messenger. Open your Messenger app, tap on this menu icon at the top left, tap on Settings, scroll down and tap on Account Center. Tap on Personal Details, tap on Contact Info, tap on the number that you want to delete, tap on Delete Number, delete, enter here your password to confirm them, then tap on Continue and the number will be deleted. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.